Hello. Got a little distracted on my dog walk today, and I found these leaves. I thought they were pretty kind of pinkish. They're starting to lose their colors now. I'm sitting here, and then this one, this fungus or whatever you want to call it. Let me get the light. Little trees is what I think, and then lacy stuff is what I think with that, but we'll see. For now, it's just gonna sit here because I'm busy doing other stuff. Now, it took me a while, but I found my digi kits that I had printed out, and I was gonna see if I had my Halloween ones in here. There's spiders, mushrooms. Oh, here's a moth. That's supposed to be one of the things. Oh, yeah. That's good. That one. This one. I can use. Let's see. That's a grasshoppers. And salamanders. Here's a toad. Put that one there. Here's a spider that looks like a toad, sort of. I'll put that one there. Ooh. Here's a spider. Take that one. There's that one of those fuzzy worms. Here's a moth, upside down. Bugs. Oh, here's another toad. Oh, moth. Ugh. There's that spider again. Oh, that's a big spider. Oh, here's another moth. Gotta use that. That's even got the right color background, looks like. Ugh. Bugs. Oh, that's a grasshopper. Ooh, there's a snake. That's another one. I can use these in the Halloween journal. Oh, here's a frog. There's that moth again in a different size. Ooh, a spider. I don't think I'll use this one because of the blue sky behind it. So, I got the faux strips here. I don't see any thing for Halloween. We might be able to use that. And these. I got wrapping paper scraps. And here's, I don't think, maybe they're in this pile. Let's see here. Oh, shoot. Dropping them on the floor. Oh, here's one of those leaves, but it's got the blue background. Here's kind of a funky pinkish color. I can use those. Is that a snake? I don't know what that is. I can probably These are mis-inked. Ink was running out or something. Use that one. I think I'll use that one. That one's the Triangle Rock. Spiritual. Probably use these. Black and white. I love blue. These are rocks. There's another black and white one. Ooh, don't fall on the floor. What is this? Mushroom? Yep, goes like that. What that is there? That's a mushroom one. Maybe that one. Don't know. That one. This one has too much green. Look how cool that mushroom is. Oh, this is a cool mushroom too. That one. That one. These. Abstract. Okay, so I got those. And then I got abstract, bigger abstract. Let's see. This one, what is that spooky face on there? There. That one. That one. That one. Black and white. And Christmas digis. Ooh, that's a picture from something like this. That's cool. I do like that, but it's blue. Here's a spider. Spider web, but no. Let's see. Might use these. I love that picture. And these are all folded from my DigiKits. Let's see. I might use that. I don't know if these are quite Halloween-like enough. There's a spider. Yeah, we'll use that. I'll use that one. I got that. This one isn't the right colors, I think. Not with that one. Side there. And let's see. This one looks like a good one to use. Where are my? Still haven't found. Might be able to. No. Yes. I'll try that one. That one. That one. That one. That's so pretty. That's way far out there. I must have put my. I'm still going to be looking for my Halloween DigiKits. Thank you for watching. Bye.